What's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another episode. Welcome to Let's Talk About It, episode 2. We're going in, and I'm with my co-host.
First of all, this guy, what more Yes,
sir. So new week, I almost said new week, new thoughts, just like that other podcast that I sometimes watch. But what do you want to talk about this week?
Anything goes, man. Anything goes, but we must dwell more on the interesting
side.
Things. That
Okay,
happen
first,
in life, yeah.
what I would like to talk about, it's on my mind right now, relationships.
Mujoro Anisa.
Relationships,
So what's your current state of
relationship? Mine or what I think about relationships.
Let's not go too personal.
Mine, yeah, I'm good.
On your thoughts, your current thoughts.
My thoughts on relationships. I think people are not being honest enough. I think people are not being realistic. They don't want to face reality. That's one thing about relationship. Like the first step with the relationship, it's knowing the person that you are dating. And when I'm saying knowing the person you are dating, I mean know everything, even their situation.
No matter what's the background or whatever. No?
Background, financial situation, everything. Because I think now we are too focused on the looks, how the person looks.
Yeah.
How.
Finish a slick queen, me now.
Yeah. So. I don't know.
Yeah, at the end of the day, I want to they have their own preferences. Same applies to Mantomazana. I'm more concerned about my type, Mali, whatsoever. Not as much maybe we have our own preferences. Let's say, take for instance, if you are not working actual, how would you feel? Or when you tell girl, when njengoba usidudla kanje ngengijole nawe. Girl njengoba umnyama kanje ngengijole nawe. Yabo ukuthi ama relationship tricky kanjani ngithola.
Yeah, that's the thing now. With some relationship.
A
relationship ruined social media ruined everything.
Yeah, it ruined everything.
I think.
Yeah, it fucked up everything. I don't wanna lie. So would you date someone who background is underprivileged? Like Kubagana fuck off.
Yeah, I would.
You would?
Because
but when
vice
versa, do you think answer already?
Yeah.
It's low key, high key.
But then I would date someone who's coming from a poor background because I think should also understand when things are not going well for me.
But the thing is,
and also I heard that mostly the girls that are dependent, are the ones that come from poor backgrounds. So they want you to do izinto abazali bakhe bangakwazanga ukuzenza. So I want a guy who's gonna buy such and such for me, and such for me because your parents couldn't. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. There's some guys who are cool with that. But I'm just saying, don't throw it on people's face.
Yeah.
And saying, if you can't do this for me, then you are not a man enough. Then which means Nobabak was not a man enough.
Yeah, if you're no more,
that's
a problem.
Yeah, so it's a good thing, knowing your worth. Because other girls would say, I don't want to face the situation I was facing at home. So if I get a man must provide for me.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so which is a good thing. My only problem is you rubbing it in other guys' face, saying, "Hey, you don't have a car, baba karana moto."
That's bullshit.
Respectful. But karana moto, baba. Fuck. It's not like good things or change. Yeah, so now I'm karana moto, but yeah.
Oh, let's say now, ujola no girl who has everything, spoiled brat, moto, would you last on that relationship knowing your background?
Knowing my background, I think it will last if that person is a good person.
Yeah, because at the end of the day,
because with me, when I date according to your personality, not on the looks. Like I want my kids to be raised by a good woman. Yeah, so other than a woman with a good heart, a woman who's humble, respectful. Yeah, so that's what I want my kids to English.
Balance.
Yeah, to grow up in that environment, knowing what everything is pashash.
Everything is pashash. And it's really about my relationship.
So
my own preferences, hey, and no my as long
let's say you're a guy that's going out every weekend, drinking, partying, clubbing, and all that stuff. Would you want a girlfriend that's also into same vibes? Why? Double standards.
Double standard. Me, I wouldn't. People would think that I'm a control freak or whatever. I mean, I wouldn't be in a serious relationship no muntu ophuzayo on my own knowledge. Or ukuthi angifuni ba like if you girl ophuza.
So mele kuphuza wena.
But
which one?
But at least ngiyaphuza. But at least one of us should be responsible for it. Ngithola. Singabi sonke nje sisexwaleni abantwana bazosala nobantwana. Imagine done.
Okay, why yena ngayitshwaleni abantwana abasale nawo?
One must die ke. At least mina yena wayitshwaleni mina ngisale endlini ngithola.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, exchange. Yeah. And also this thing of I think that's a old thing. This thing of I'm a man, I shouldn't cook. I'm a man, I shouldn't wash the dishes. That's an old school thing, bro. But I think now it's like, okay, not 50-50. She can do more, but you can also help. It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt you waking up and seeing what's okay. There's 2 or 3 dishes there. Okay, let me share. Let me. Like whoa. That mindset. Yeah, le emakhaya. I don't think even now emakhaya bayenza into le.
Now I don't think so.
And also, what I would like us to talk about is impilo ekas, the life in the hood.
Life in
for Amagents.
I would say, I'm not saying I'm judging or whatsoever. I would say if it's Tinasngamachita, we must share in knowledge more than we share alcohol and talk. Or a groove or a event or a DJ slot or whatever. We must share knowledge and don't gatekeep Utimalians or Ranchani, Panda Ranchani. Because at the end of the day, the more we gatekeep Utimalians or Ranchani, Amachita Likasi, our Spani, I was going to say Jereza, who saw Pagawena. That's a problem, young Tom.
And also, there's this mentality, Ekas, Uti. Umchita ozibhekelayo, umchita who's not involved in smoking, drinking. Ele umchita ozele espanini abuye, umchita ozibambela ugelo eyi-1 uyazitshela.
Uyazitshela, yeah. Kunjalo.
Because they want you to do
what they feel like.
What they are also doing.
Yeah.
If I can say nah, you weed, but then you say no, I don't smoke. Hey,
peer pressure.
Yeah, on a Sunday, it's beer. Hey, I'm going to church. Hey, yes, generally.
And another thing is so much because my personal problem, I'm born like actually in like making some other niggas who are not working when some ice boy, when especially when girls are around. So when I'm Tomazana, so too much talawako, utateng utshwala, uteng ugwayi.
Okay, yeah.
That's not good.
Just for people to see that you're the one that is man.
If you feel like that, I would say
you there.
Where now what I'm trying to say, if you know that umchita kagana mali, yana e toilet, mbambisa something, utanga yabo.
Angabhekiseleki
ngithola ukuthi amfethu bamba nayi clip uzokwenza ngathi uyabhaya or bamba nayi clip mase sifuna igawula, you can go buy food or those decided angifuni bengathi ngiyakuthula naku utshwala bula so phuza mophela sivayo uyangithola. And another thing amajita sekasi, they want to lock in ntwana etshwaleni, ntwana bafuna ukuhamba ngokuvala indawo uyangithola. If you call your nigga to fit, let's go out, shy. If he's 6, he's 6. Don't try to exceed so buy the whole fucking cabin, man. No, akusalala sokushaya 6 to 6 angithola.
At
the end of the day kusasa usena nyuke yokuspani getting you get rent, sharing you get grocery.
And also this thing of going to work. Amajita plomile khoneni espanini.
Yeah.
Eh boy espanini yeah. Yo banda so.
Yo.
Yeah, so okay we are espanini. Makufika payday. They say machita. Boy izinconka i200. And bro ekasi abantu bazi ukuthi uholile.
And intwana
Ungakatsheli umuntu umjita ekasi ucava ipayday yakho wena ungamtshelanga. Conka i5 conka i200. Anginayo kanjani uholile.
But that thing doesn't go to Amachita kuphela, especially our girl, they will do that. Young tall. Girl will avoid you, Mampara week, avoid until payday. Payday, hi, yo, I miss you, oh, sang check. Then as Umchita, we are lasha, you end up young tall. Most of the Machita, what they do, they will take that salary, by spend another one. That's another disadvantage.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. As a nigga or as a guy, you've been struggling your whole life. Soon as you get that bag, soon as uNkulunkulu akubusisa ngaleso spani leso, you go and spend your money. With people you know exactly ukuthi if you are not working, if you are not where you at, ngeke babe nendaba nawe. It's like being successful as a soccer player. Then going and date a famous girl. You know very well which lo girl lo mekangeke akudate if mo uThepo wasekhasi.
So on Instagram page there.
So on Instagram page, shawundlule. That's what I would say. That's my advice. Shawundlule, not ukuthi like it's to boost that ego.
Yeah.
Like facts. People won't say this. Shawundlule. Just to boost that ego ukuthi ngishaye not to mention names, but ngishaye Umandisa who has
250k followers.
Yeah, knowing very well ukuthi nesikhathi menginemali mengangeke angifuni. So just to boost the ego, let me kaka and vibe. Not to
another thing is
another
thing.
Men cheat.
I would say
I'm not condoning cheating.
I would say lento le yenziwa kanjani, people have that political mentality. No one of a politician, what they will do, they will have a fast babo, then have them escort young tall escort which they spend in you more than young tall money tax on
that. Yeah.
Same applies na abantu amachita phanda kasi amachita zohereza then they will be like okay la mangijwayela ithini thola stuff esisho ngithola. But not knowing that the girl you are trying to date, liability, etimnyungu. Yayikhipha imali, ayingeni nakancane.
Yeah, ayingeni
ngithola yaphuma kuphela. Ufuna in, you do it. I want this and that, you do it. I want to go to Piano Hub. Uyenza uhlezi wena usikhipha shoot wena money spender. Amachita prefer that good time. People must see that I'm balling ngithola. That's a problem. Maybe the West khuliswa khona but angazi.
Okay, makes sense. Laze Piano Hub ngiyezwa bathi abogela abantu bayabathatha.
Yeah, ngithola. That's why they do.
Nasema kube njalo. I wouldn't go to those places knowing very well ukuthi I'm not moneyed.
Uzoyenza lapha uzoyela Piano Hub for ukela kumthengela
i-Russian. I do want to go to a Piano Hub but or emakube njalo but I wouldn't go knowing ukuthi angikho grand financially. Another thing as a chance, I think you need to know your situation and accept your situation. That's how you'll become happy njengomjida. Understand.
But
there will be friends who will do better than you. There will be friends who are high places than you. For you it's just to congratulate and move on. Ungafuni ukufana nomjida sikhulele emakhaya ahlukile. Effects. Umjida wakini ukhulele endlini obucheese. So badla kamnandi ugcoka kamnandi ugcoka isidwadla. You don't have to hate umjida or ube nekwali. You just have to accept the situation yakini ukuthi okay thina silana and nami ngizoba da one day. But you accept
but equal intwana I would say equal is a disease of every township, every hood. And that shandis doesn't have any cure because if someone feels like when you have more than him or what regardless because they want what you have equally it will always be there. I not sure that shandis because at the end of the day now they get pressure from abubani abageli wabo uyangithola ugelo just Picho, you don't do anything for me, I want money, I want this and this and this and for uyangithola then uSpicho uyenzani uyophanda ngawo ngiyazi umeto nepholo uthi ngithola into zayo intsha zami zasegasi zizodila ngayo ezithathe la pholo lesithengisa nge5k imagine your blood and sweat wena
uyangithola
that's why ngisho ikwali ukuthi intwana is a disease and i-disease engana cure so ikwali izohlezi khona.
And what do you think about namajita lawo athatha ama-reject? Okay, not saying
but
let's say umjita ujola nogeli sonke kasi siyamazi
udala semxhaphaza.
Yeah. What do you think lamajita lawo? Do you think love overcomes the past?
I would say
love overcomes the past.
Is not that. I would say umuntu like let's say lo gelo dala ikasi bomxhaphaza ngitona ukuphakela lonke ikasi lo gelo mekaphakela lonke ikasi you will never know ukuthi lo mjita lo had a crush or is a dream wife yakhe lo uyangithola in the meantime nina nazi amafile wakhe uthi okay ugelo ubusy ngobani hamba ama uyangithola awucaca ukuthi ubani umsupportayo who is there for her uyangithola. That guy also is bound to be the last man standing because yini uyamncane uyangithola angaya ku Sky Guy makube njalo come to the Sky Guy but corner that one guy who's a good guy umlindile ukuthi
and also the good guys are the ones that
finish last but
they also take disrespect,
too much disrespect
because you are a good guy.
Because that's why ugelo sube ekuthakathile ukuthi angizoyenza yonke le masimba lengizowenza ngiphisane ngekhekhe lami but khona Fistos will be there for me ngithola.
That's the thing, you go through the most just for being a good guy.
Yeah.
So Ekasi, mostly I would speak for Ekasi because I grew up Ekasi namanje ngisase. Good guys are going through the most because we are accept everything.
And then sometimes you sponsor that girl ukuthi ahamba yochiwa le uyangithola.
I'm requested ukuthi ayesanthini. Just because you are a good guy, uthabisa azunenhliziyo enhle kanjani akamandi.
Bese wena izothabiso ugelo uzokhalela kuwe with a heartbreak.
Then that's where ibunch liza.
Yeah, ibunch le.
So
sometimes it's not a bunch. Uthabiso mekafika will settle for less regarding uthini. Let's say ugelo busy manje uyabaspat. Obviously I want to let them money mangitshela futhi girl terminator lesiso bese ugelo engenzini angayenzi lento le. Hayi ngiyakhona ukuthi or ugelo usually ugelo what they do lamajita la because they are bowling uzogayinyo ukuterminate isiso ngithola bese ugela athi uyahlanya lo nginezi 10,000 ukuthi uterminate isiso ngayibox ayishaye then
umntana
yaphuma uyangithola uThabiso akasafuni nyo because he gave you the money ama contraceptive uyangithola bese uThabiso the good guy uyavela uThabiso hayi mina ngizomnaka uyazi-offer uyangithola yena yafika ugela yakhala ku hey lo bani lo James wenze 1 2 bani wenze then when what you do hayi umntana ngizomsupport. That's how ba end up nalabo gela okudala baxhaphaza amajita most of the time ngama good guys. That's how the reality goes.
It's bad being a good guy. Keep being a good, but don't change.
Don't change who you are.
Don't change who you are. If you're a good guy, you're a good guy, bro. You know, so but if she played you, she played herself.
What I think in the process, in the long run, yonke lento le a good guy will turn out to be an abuser, be abusive. So when much GPV
because speaking on that,
uzohleza ukuremind ukuthi wena kodwa senze sona.
Speaking on that, I know girls who are big on akangishayi shoot akangithandi.
Then
wena ulunge kakhulu for mina. We understand.
Yeah, understand.
Girls who are big on we understand. Uyangibhora.
Soft.
Akangilwisa soft. Every time I use something uthi ngiya understand. Akangithandi.
Bese that thing change. Umjita uyathi namajita. It takes time to build the haters umjita. Umjita don't just hate angithola. It will take years, weeks. Angithola ukuthi umjita abe nayo anger le ukuthi hayi man fuck now enough is enough. Saqala umjita ya change. Yabo. So intombazana manje iyahlukumezeka, relationship yakho so activity every day. Yabo. Yeah, that's how relationships are.
Hey, it's hectic. What's another thing we can talk about?
I want to talk about that thing that happened. You saw. What's your take on the foreigners? Let's talk about foreigners before we
Yeah. Okay. First take. Whatever they are doing, saying foreigners must come with their papers in it's a good thing.
Good thing.
What I don't condone is violence. That's the whole shit. That's the whole thing I always say. And also, don't do something for your personal gain.
Yeah, ne? So do you think this thing is for his personal gain or is political? Let's chat about it. Yes, now I feel. Or it's political? Because
the thing is, for me, I know they have to be leader in everything.
In every situation.
And in every situation, they have to be a leader. But being the leader doesn't mean you should be the face.
Okay.
I think if I should start something, a movement, and my pure intentions are I'm starting it for ICAS. Okay, they can know who started it, but I don't have to be the face. Everyone should be the face. So these people are making it more about themselves. It's like Umalema, when he goes there and talk, he's talking about his personal things, not his.
Yeah, well.
Because you'll find there are people who EFF that are agreeing to what Ungizwe is doing. But just because he's a face or a leader of EFF, Ungizwe. So it's about him. Like, I don't remember seeing Umalema doing a meeting with his people saying, how do you feel about what Ngizwe is doing? Then people give their own opinions. Then he was like, oh, okay. Okay, maybe he's right. Let's support Ngizwe. And so I'm telling you right now, there's people with EFF that are agreeing to whatever Ngizwe they are doing. But they are scared to say it because Ubaba Wabo now has a grudge, no Ngizwe. And also, I think, who did it first? Like Umalema can say right now, we don't want Amapur. Then you come and say the same thing, and you outshine him, or you get popular more than him. It's
but
a hate thing
I think
now.
It's the same situation because Umalema, if you will say Malema Arafuna Mapur, then Ungizwe na Arafuna Maforena, it's the same thing.
But also the problem is who